right, we got about 4 minutes until the New York Open. I got my experimental live stream set up here, just playing around with. There's still a few things I need to figure out about how to connect everything with YouTube. So maybe at some point this week I will do a live stream, but just testing things out for the moment. Gonna take some live trade video recordings today. We had the CPI news today. That shot the market up about 300 points. Just went for a short up here at this 50% wicks level. Came up to that level to the tick. Had this huge cluster right above. We had some mixed delta as we were coming up. It was also the 50 area. So I grabbed 10 points on the leader account. The follower accounts, I only got 5 points. With this new version of NINZA Trader, they got all these different color options. I changed up the colors a little bit on the flow stack. Also changed the color of the wicks. But all of the settings are the same. I also put the cumulative delta divergence to calculate on bar close instead of price change. I was getting a few too many cumulative divergence triangles having on price change. Although when I'm trading the off hours and slower times like the Asian markets usually, when things are ranging, I definitely like having it on price change to catch some moves that I normally wouldn't. So far it's just kind of a wiki chop fest to open here. Give it a little room to breathe. Just grabbed a little 10-point trade there, came right down to the 250 SMA. We pierced whole number very quickly, so I felt good about a bounce trade at the 250 SMA. Got my 10 points pretty quick there. Just grabbed a nice short up here. We once again flew through whole number to the upside this time. I grabbed a short at the 20 level. Why did I do that? Check out the extra levels indicator on the 5-minute chart. We got the Asian center right here. We also have London high. So when I got into a short up here at 20, I was just looking for a pullback back to these key levels, back to whole number, and it just kept going. You can see just following the flow stack this morning with the color changes, negative delta across the board, nice short, positive delta across the board, nice long, negative delta across the board, nice short. There's 1, 2, 3 trades, just 11 minutes into the open. Could be done for the day. Another nice directional change with the flow stack there. Rejecting off a VWAP, bullish delta across the board. Made it all the way up to the pivot point in the current day open. Rejected right off of the current day open. I was busy multitasking, otherwise I think I would have taken that trade. We got the gap fill up here at 140. Then a previous area of strong selling up at 233. So I've got my eyes on those levels if we continue to the upside. Just got into a beautiful trade here. We had some double confluence up here. Check out this line. This is a 50% wicks level. This is from the MMT 50/50. A very underrated indicator. It's actually become one of my favorite. This 50% wicks level. We came up to this level to the tick. Just tankaroonied. I got in on the short action. We had cumulative delta divergence, this gold triangle, appear after the bar closed here. First cumulative delta divergence signal of the morning. Also had a washout signal intrabar. This is from the MMT polarity indicator. And then check it out over here. We had Asia high, also right at that level. So just a whole lot going on. We had point of control up into the wick here. And we've popped down over 100 points. The moves are pretty crazy lately. It's time like these, I'm definitely glad that I trade the micros. I realize you can't see the control panel window anymore with this new setup on OBS. And when I try to go to Chart Trader, it's just got this little black area. But I'm up $1,655 on the sim account. So it's copy trading micros, so I got 1/10 of that. Got some more nice flow stack directional changes here. Got the green candle colors hitting. The NQ was positive delta at some point on this candle and above the 4-period SMA. That's why the candle color turned green intrabar. Then it stays green till we switch directions. We got a directional change here. Negative delta on both the NQ and the ES. Price went below the 4-period SMA on both instruments as well. We got the color change after the close of this candle. we've dropped off 70 points right down to the London Open, where we're getting a nice bounce. It's also two different 50% levels, triple confluence right there, and we just bounced up 40 points. So with the ultimate flow setup, we've got the flow stack, got the key levels indicator, got the MMT 50/50, got the ultimate VWAP, I got my favorite built-in moving averages, I got the ultimate POC showing me the point of control of each candle. 5-minute chart has the extra levels indicator, and the 60-minute chart has the Greek profile in delta profile mode. And as I was chattering, we got another directional change. Got the green candle from the flow stack. It's also painting the background. And if I am trading directional changes, I like waiting until price breaks above or below the trigger candle before I get in. After the break above, just popped up 80 points. Amazing moves on the NQ, and at least 6 different amazing trade opportunities from the flow stack. Looking for confluence between the NQ and the ES with delta and the moving average trend on both instruments. Just went for another short up here at this Asia high level, also the 50% Wix level. We came up again, started rejecting, hopped in on the short. We just popped down 70 points already. The moves are just absolutely crazy. I should probably have some bigger take profits than 10 points, but I'm up over 100 points now. As you can see, as we're making this drop down here, the delta was staying positive. We came right down to the current day open, then just got a nice 50-point pop to the upside. We've just been chopping around for the past 10 minutes or so. I have not taken any more trades. It's getting close to 10:30. We are definitely above the 250 SMA. So I still have my eye on this big area of previous selling up at 230 if we make it up that high. But other than that, I'm just kind of waiting and watching. Might try and take one more trade sometime between now and 10:35 and then call it a day. All right, well that pretty much happened right after I was talking about it. We came right up to 230. I hopped in on the short. We've already popped down over 50 points. I grabbed another 10. Up over 200 bucks on the accounts today, stacking the micros. You can see we came right up to this previous area of strong selling. It was also one of my magic Fibonacci levels from an indicator that automatically plots special Fibonacci levels that I have not released yet. So it's almost 10:30. I've had a pretty awesome day, so I'm just going to stop there. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. There are links to all of the MMT indicators in the description. If you want to see more details about the ultimate flow setup, I'll leave a video link in the description. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan at Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, TradeDay, thanks so much for your support. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.